Friday, June 27, 2016. And this now the chairman television station, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable, Wazobia Max UHF 57 Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, and www.wazobiatv.tv/live. We don't carry the Ogbonge politics discussion show as it is hot, where we discuss all of the action to the way they come on smoke inside Obodo, Nigeria political boxing ring. Based on the Monday arrangement, it could be tear rubber. All of the action to the way come on from weekend, we go drop them as it is hot. Discuss the matter. Give you license to chook mouth inside and talk them. The only thing be you for body. My name na Ezo Gochokwode. And as usual, I know the alone inside studio. I deal with my brother Wayne Sabu when I stay concerning politics matter as it is hot.
Yes, a fresh and a beautiful Monday morning to our wonderful viewers today watch us right now. We don't carry us the hot come again where we go to do it, where we go to informate now with different political activities that happen for Obodo, Nigeria. Today we will give now all the information we will play out over the weekend. That is Saturdays. In fact, from Friday when we lock our shop, Saturday, Sunday, I even enter today will be Monday. So at least for those of now we be say now not today close to information. At least now they know what that happen inside our Obodo, Nigeria through this medium. We also open our phone line start and when that time ready to do it into call. Now we also feel call. At least contribute now quarter to the whole system. Make we know as we go take do it collectively as they always talk and move this country forward. My name never change. My name is Nankubi and this is now Ask It Hot.
We not go waste time. We will go straight into all of the action to the way we carry come from weekend. As we do them every Monday. 5 stories where they come up plenty smoke. We go discuss all this one small by small. Can't discuss the matter. Give you license to call and chook mouth for inside the arrangement. And the one we go start we get to do with Oga Senate President Dr. Bukola Saraki, in Deputy Ike Ekweremadu, the former clerk of the National Assembly Alhaji Salisu Mekaswa, and in Deputy Mr. Ben Efeturi. Today, 4 of them go carry waka enter inside court to go answer case as it get to do with forgery on top of the book when we say that they use they operate inside the National Assembly. Everybody remember say last year election for the office of the Senate President and the Deputy, he get some kind of arrangement when be happen now based on say the leadership of the All Progressives Congress already talk and say he gets person when we say they want make him sit down for the chair of the Senate President. But based on what the 1999 Constitution talk when they use they operate say the senators shall from amongst themselves select those when we say them want make them lead them for inside the house. Oga Bukola Saraki can emerge as against the will of the party leadership. Since that time, now one case or the other. Everybody remember the one about say he get the way when we say he take arrange in asset declaration when he be like say something when we say he never get it already put am say he don't get am. You see the answer case on top of that one. They can't slam this one on top of his neck. Now the question I say if we get freedom, say the 3 organs of government, the executive, legislature, and the judiciary, then they operate as checkmate and watchdog against the activities when we say that they do. Why he be say the executive can't carry this particular matter for head? When we enter inside this discussion, we go break them down, discuss the matter. You self go know as the thing they go as it is hot.
Yes, and from them we could enter straight into this next news, and we don't hear say the National Association of Resident Doctors. That is now they don't call of the strike where them we go before on Saturday, and then for the going by waiting the president talk. That is Dr. Muhammad. That is Dr. Muhammad Adamu Askira. In talks at least the reason for the suspension now for them to at least to enable government do it, look into this matter and their demands, make them know it in government go do it, go quickly do about that. They can also talk say they also thank the national that is the National Assembly, that is the House of Rep this thing, under the leadership of Yakubu Dogara. Say at least their own the way they intervene into the matter, and upon the power on top of that, he also promised that is the deputy, the speaker of the House also promised say on top of this matter, saying go ensure say he follow up this matter at least present that to the executive council for the next meeting where they go hold, so that at least they go not they go do it and quickly address the matter, so that at least the issue of strike when it comes to doctor matters, going to happen again.
From this particular second story, we went down inside small break. When we go this break, come back, we will give number 3, number 4, number 5. Discuss the matter, come open our phone lines, make yourself call to chook mouth inside. Don't go anywhere. Now, as it is hot on top of Wazobia TV, Wazobia Max, and www.wazobiatv.tv/live. Will they come back? Welcome back to As It Is Hot. Still based on the Monday Terror episode, we don't give you the first story when get to do with the fact say Senate President Dr. Bukola Saraki and the other people, Ike Ekweremadu, the immediate past clerk of the National Assembly and the deputy, and they go show face for inside court today based on the allegation of forgery of the standing rules of the National Assembly. We also drop the second one, say the National Association of Resident Doctors, and they don't come and contact, say they go suspend their strike, go enter into negotiation with the government, make them settle the matter once and for all. 3, 4, 5, 9 remain, and the third one, get to do with one important story wey be say don dey happen for inside Lagos, Ogun State area as e get to do with the activities of some kind bad militant Jaguda people. Make I break the story down, make everybody understand. Everybody knows say for that Ikorodu area based on Arekpo things, say oil matter dey happen based on bomb crane, and our soldier people don go there go dislodge these militants dem. They talk say plenty of them na of Ijaw extraction. Now as dem come dislodge them, business come spoil for them. They come begin dey do small thieving and armed robbery thing. They talk say they go one place go attack one hotel. For that attack, when they attack the hotel, they come see them for CCTV. From that CCTV camera, they come identify 2 people. Police people come go there, arrest them, and based on say them come dey vex say okay una see us for CCTV, una come go report us to police. They come back, come do counter attack. Now that counter attack come result in the deaths of 18 people for inside Lagos and Ogun area. The commissioner of police don't come and conduct say make people stop to dey spread fear and stories wey be say go dey make people mind dey cut. Say the Nigerian police force based on the Lagos State Command and working in partnership with the Ogun State Command, then they on top of the situation. But people they come and they talk say you cannot be on top of the situation when you no even dey the area at all. How these people go come by 4 a.m. in the morning, begin they shoot, go, pursue people they run and they don't see any police at all. We they urge the Nigerian police force based on say then they try and they do plenty work. Say make they ensure say the primary responsibility of ensuring say people life they safe and their property they secure, make them do. And we believe in the Nigerian police force and with the cut cap give them that. Now our second story based on from my side when get to do with the activities of Jaguda militants for Ogun and Lagos area.
From the issue of say are they on top of the situation, we can't give now the original people where they on top of this particular situation right now. The Nigerian army don't announce say they don't rescue about 5,000 people, and that is 5,000 hostages from Boko Haram. The spokesperson for the army, maybe Oga Sani Usman, talk say they carry out this rescue mission, can't succeed in rescuing 5,000 people. They can also talk say in the course of the whole battle, say one that is one GHF person die among. So they can also talk at least apart from say they rescue, they also do it. They also at least recover a lot of ammunition. That's a lot of equipment from these same people where they don't do it, where they don't seize, because now all this they take do it, they take carry out their business. They can't talk say when it comes to the issue of say they struggle to ensure say that they bring back people alive. Say then go also at least the military they go always dey on top of the situation and ensure say yes, the fight against Boko Haram, the fight to ensure say security come back to our country, say they will do it and they will sincerely dey on top of the situation.
From that final story, make we top them up with the one way we get to do with wetin happen inside Kuje minimum prison for inside Abuja. Everybody knows say for some kind Oyibo action film, some kind things they happen for their prison there. This same thing, it be like say they don't watch the film. The part 7 can happen inside Kuje minimum prison for inside Abuja. As 2 inmates, they talk say they all use plank. Put for near the fence, just climb am as if say they won't even just climb ordinary fence, no be even prison fence, and they just waka, they go. Initial reports when me come out that Friday night, enter inside Saturday morning, me talk say the person when me say na him plan the 2010 Independence Day bombing, Oga Charles Oka say him follow escape, but the Nigerian Prison Service don't come out contact say no such thing happen. And the talk person of the Nigerian Prison Service, Oga Francis Enopore, don't come out contact say they don't begin to the audit the inmates, that is the people when they inside prison, to check whether their name they inside the register or anybody when they don't come up. But they talk say 2 people when we say there's a bit badness onto kidnapping things that they escape. But they talk say the Nigerian police force don't begin manhunt, that is they don't spread their net to you see say they catch these people and they arrest them. Plenty Nigerians when they ask say if prison where they keep people where we say then they are waiting trial, or where we say they don't convict them, and a place where we say but if you just put plank near fence climb, then wetin would they call am prison for? Make dem go break the fence, just put a small barbed wire, and make the people they all dey there begin dey dance, begin dey play ball, because that one no be prison at all. All of this action tori now we don carry come from the weekend. We go throw our phone lines open, make you call to chook mouth for inside this matter, and I go like make Nkubi begin with the story of the forgery case when they knack for the neck of the Senate Presido and the deputy, because that particular story now we go discuss on top of this show whether he like am or not. I don't see say they do face like person when we say he won't cry or he won't escape, make I take am easy with him, but I no go gree. Over to you, Nkubi.
It is a Monday morning.
You are speaking English now. Address story you are telling. It's a Saturday morning. It's a Saturday morning.
When it comes to the issue of Saraki, or that is the Senate President Saraki and the deputy, well, I don't get much to say. Make them go face the panel. Make them go face the country they need to face. And don't ask me questions. Say they put forgery this thing on top of their head. If there are no signs of truth, for instance, they just come and face the matter as it be. Make them wash their hand off it. Why everything? You could only see fault in everything. What is the meaning of that?
My question is...
Don't ask me any question, please. Don't ask me any question.
Whether you open mouth or you open eye, I go see answer question.
There are other issues.
This issue is very, very important. What do you mean the other issue?
Insecurity issue.
Which is a insecurity issue that this government cannot tackle. That this government cannot tackle.
Lagos,
that this government cannot tackle.
We will not talk about that one.
Government they talk say insecurity. Now today you don't say insecurity dey. Shebi una don say Nigeria is secure.
Nigeria me they do.
People go dey.
No, you don't talk about that one.
Una dey carry mopo. They carry mopo up and now.
5,000 people now they rescued us over this weekend. You know, if I applaud them for that first. Appreciate them for that. That is our military working, and that is security working.
They rescue 5,000 people. Who could be well, maybe you know.
Isn't that the number? No, they encourage you.
You know, sabi mathematics. That is very, very clear. 5,000 human beings. You say they rescue 5,000. We know how this thing work. You understand? Over 1 year after government went tell us say in how many weeks they go clear Boko Haram, they go do this, they go do that.
Why you say?
See there here.
Come, why
don't tell me say why. Don't tell me say why be anything. We get somebody from Lekki. Why BNL?
Monday morning.
Why BNL? Why BNL?
How BNL take credit to talk about?
Why BNL?
Why BNL what? Why BNL what? Mind yourself.
Allow us to take a call.
Good morning, Oga Abu.
The transportation every day. For instance, how much are we paying for the transportation? Government, they are not doing anything for
Thank you very much, Oga Abu.
For the truth now, yes?
Would they hear you continue?
Yeah. About the government, this is petrol. Government, how much is petrol now? About 100 and something.
Thank you.
And they say everything will change.
Thank you.
What is the meaning of the change?
It is a gradual process.
Gradual what? After 1 year?
Abu, it is a gradual process.
After what? 1 year?
This is just 1 year into this government.
The thing is supposed to be good for us. As we are Nigerian citizens, we have to enjoy our Nigeria. So Ghana too enjoy past we Nigerians.
Thank you.
And all you people say Wazobia mass, we are talking truth and everything. So we have to talk to the government, everything.
Thank you very much.
Which of course we are doing that.
Oga Abu, thank you very much.
We are doing that.
You allow the man first. And before the call even connect, he already begin to talk.
We are on top of the situation. We address the matter. They try to government.
On top. You are always on top. Yesterday, last month, it was pipeline. Today you are on top.
Oga Ego, good morning.
1-0.
You are who they give cartel.
Abu, don't score me one.
Oga Ego, good morning and welcome back to Ask It Hot.
Oga Shukudi, I greet you.
Oga Ego, I greet you back.
Oga Ukubi, the man of the people, I greet you.
Thank you very much for even referring me as the man of the people. Thank you very much.
That's the issue of today.
Yes.
This issue, our uniform people, I cut card give them.
Thank you.
Even though the economy they bad, things they bad, they fight, they try, they get family for us.
Yes.
I cut card give them. This issue of Kuremadu and the Saraki, what do you go think? Say the time when you say they do this election, these people they on power, and they on seat. No. So if say they forge any signature, there it's supposed to go down to the
people where they involved. People who conduct the election.
You get me? These people that the election will conduct the election, the the secretary, all those people say they conduct the election. None of those people that forge the signature, not Saraki and Ekuremadu. Make they transparent for anything they do, they fight corruption. They did the issue of prison break. Me, I'm not a believer say that kind of happen because you know that our social media, we escalate things to spoil government. That kind of not happen for operating. It didn't happen for there, it not happen. Now, me and the urge Nigeria say make we work with the government. Even though I know the government is slow, but I know say things go better one day.
Very, very true. Oga Igo, thank you very much for this your important contribution. We get Oga Christian all the way from K2. Oga Christian, good morning and welcome to our City Hot.
Christian, good morning.
Oga Christian, you there? Why him go there? Why him go there?
No be you welcome.
No, why him go there?
Why no be welcome?
Why him go there?
No be take the way you take greet yourself.
When I want 45 naira.
That's even
when tomato
the
scarce. When minimum wage na see 18,000.
How is that related to Christian matter?
13 months we never see the change. And you want making there.
Christian was calling.
Why him go there?
Just because he loves the subject.
Your voice even call. I say Christian, good morning. You call say Christian, you there. You even dey threaten him on top of call. With all the things we face for this country, you are still threatening somebody. And you want him to be there. Go and change this country.
No, they Christian. Abu call us.
Lagos, militants, they kill people.
Like
what do I do?
Okay, go just call her.
On top of the situation. On top of the situation.
We have to call her right now. Hold on.
On top of the situation.
We get Joanne. Joanne is calling us from Ajah.
What did be Joanne? Joanne. What did be Joanne?
Joanne, good morning. It concern you. Joanne, good morning.
Good morning.
We dey hear you, Jare. Talk to us.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay,
No,
the
continue.
thing is that first and foremost,
Okay.
transportation has gone way up. That's one. And then for us students at school outside, it's really bad.
Thank you.
Because the exchange rate has gone so up that we don't even know what to do.
You see?
What is you see?
Calm down.
Nobody can actually tell me that this government is giving any change.
Oh.
Because, you know, the youth should be happy that, oh, the government is giving change. Do you understand? But then we're not seeing anything.
But hold on. I am asking Joanne a question. I am asking Joanne a question.
No, Joanne, continue.
Okay.
No,
that's
continue.
majorly what I really have to say.
Thank you very much for saying all of this. I'm making it 3-0.
For coming out to speak out your mind. In fact, I personally
Joanne,
and I have that feel of...
Joanne.
Hold on, we have a caller right now. We have another caller. Hold on, respect yourself. Don't disgrace yourself before Joanne. Good morning. Who is on the line, please? Oga Paul, good morning.
Hello, Oga Nkubi and Oga Tukudi, good morning.
Good
Oga
morning,
Paul,
Oga
I greet
Paul.
you.
You know, now, as usual, we shall, we.
Now in time be that.
Now you dey talk to
No,
her.
he can't refer to me.
Now, Oga Nkubi.
Oga Paul,
Oga Nkubi, now your people.
Oga people.
Now, they talk, say, they rescue 5,000 people for Borno. We know that at that same state, they thought say they do elections, they win. So if these 5,000 people they under captive safe, which people vote for? That one now one.
Okay.
Then two, then Ekpore Madu and the
Saraki.
Deputy Senate. That one you know all along, say now, still this politics problem. May they remove politics from politicians and do the right thing to the people. May they lead us well. Then talking about the Lagos and Ogun case, our police are not sincere. Because if they continue to tell us they're on top of the issue, when we say that they're under the issue, we don't know where would they take, where would they go. So Abemon has started to tell us we shall, and we will.
We shall. Not me create an
Allow him finish. Oga Paul, thank you very much for your important contribution.
You see what you don't call.
Can 5 people be wrong? Can 5 people be wrong?
No.
Paul from Ajah, Joan from Ajah, Igor from Abuja, Christian from Ketu, Abu from Lekki.
No,
why are you fighting against everybody?
Hold on, but this we shall with you.
We shall. What are we saying?
Please,
we shall. See, Joanne, see what did she talk? Exchange rate.
We know.
Exchange rate.
And I feel for Joanne.
Now they fall.
I feel for you.
Feel because
I say so far, be the only lady who don't call us. I personally
continue feeling.
I feel for you.
What a feeling, Mr.
Hey,
Feeling.
Please.
You feeling for her. You feeling the boy.
We should be sentimental about
Sentimental about what? Okay, from Calabar they call us. From Lagos to Benin to Calabar, everybody saying the same thing, and you are still here fighting them. Okay, good morning and welcome to Asiri Hot.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning, Ogo, okay?
Good morning, Mr. Chokode.
Okay, I greet you. I'm not happy, but I'm happy.
Cry if you want cry.
I wish you a happy new week. This week
we wish you the same. Amen. No, thank you.
Hello, make a contribution more.
Okay, right on.
Yes. First of all, the court cap give our gallant soldier them. We don't rescue 5,000 people. I say may God give them the power, the strength to continue the battle. Oga Nkubi.
Yes.
We get one song where Fela sing. Fela say, I no go gree. Make my brother hungry. Make I no talk. Okay. I no go gree. Make my brother homeless. make I no talk. Me and you, I know say we get food for our table. They get people when they even get pure water for their table to drink. We share. You know the work, oh.
But
hello.
the president never
Allow him to talk now. Now you give up. Now you buy credit for that. Allow him talk now.
They hear you.
The thing is getting out of hand every day. When you come on streets, you see how people they hungry. Now this thing they lead people they do it in they not supposed to. Like as these militant people now here say they go
rise
at
again
hotel, right?
Exactly.
Hello.
Would they hear you? Yes.
Hello.
Yes, we hear you.
So I beg make our people, this government put things at least if they don't fulfill all their campaign promises, may they fulfill one. So that Nigeria will be a better place again to live. Me, as I talk to you, I get food for my table, but I cry, say my neighbor no get also. Thank you, and may God continue to bless this country.
Amen.
God to bless you.
They don't turn all of us for Nigeria to prayer warriors. Continually
concern to the nation.
We are all prayer warriors now. Everything we pray.
You see the problem we don't cause here.
What is the problem when I cause?
Mr. President's
D-Way, they call us from Abuja. D-Way is calling us from Abuja. D-Way is calling us from Abuja.
D-Way, good morning. All the way from Abuja. Good morning, Mr. D-Way.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I don't know whether you're in Nigeria or not.
He's from Cameroon. He's from Cameroon.
Okay, D-Way, has he gone that far?
I beg, hold on, hold on, I beg.
Okay, I hear you.
I'm not against anybody. But
okay.
What I'm against is say, what will they do?
Okay.
When I say when I enter government 1 year, things go there, okay. When I go change.
Okay.
Okay. The preaching where when I preach that time, I go research on Nigeria. That's Nigeria where I go research on. And I need to research on again.
But still there for the process of that way.
2. When I say when they fight corruption when they fight an enemy.
But with the signs.
When the party government there for power.
You know, expect me to fight from somebody where they don't know now.
Ticket from Abuja to Lagos no reach 70,000 naira. Now everything don't go up. Oil, when I carry oil, the chop, carry the price, they put and no poor man they buy oil again. From here now to China, 800,000 naira one way ticket or 650 one way ticket.
800,000 naira.
No, 800 kobo.
Make a life finish before you talk.
Okay, I hear you.
You are on too much here.
Oh.
You done too much for that place now. You know one say the truth, make we know the truth.
Ogadiwe, see
Allow him finish now. Which one be this thing?
Allow me to finish.
Okay, Ogadiwe, I hear you.
Now, listen. This oil where I share on ourselves for 30 years ago. When I share the oil, number one, the place where the oil they come from, we don't see any development there. The place where I carry the resources of the oil go, we don't see any development there. When I know if they probe these people, where on allocate the oil block, say when I said to them, I know if they even ask them what did they do with the proceeds. I know if they ask them. When I begin to fight the people who not do anything. Now let me tell you, Nkubi, I've been Nkubi hear this one now.
I do hear.
Nkubi hear this one now. See why Danjuma say one of your oil blocks is selling $1 billion. That's $1 billion where it's like they intend grandchildren, you don't even say to them. Now, if you go to in place Taraba, nothing to show that that money is there. You know, nothing to show there. So you come now and they tell me, say, give you people a chance. Did you give the past government a chance? You people talk soon, I'm going to make the government ungovernable for them. Now we make it peaceful. When I know if you do anything, no light.
Allow him finish.
No good road, no hospital. Everywhere flight. Up to more than 2 million people have been sacked from job for the past 1 year. More than 2 million people have been sacked from job. No one has been employed. If we
you go calm down because if you continue like this, Nkubi go fall down from the chair.
Thank you very
much for your important contribution.
For at least throwing down information about our what has been about.
Marvelous is calling us.
Why pointing at me?
Marvelous is calling us.
Has expressed his own view. What
is your own view? Why are you fighting against Nigerian people?
Still my own view.
Marvelous from Ketu.
My own view is still my own view.
8-0. Marvelous from Ketu.
8-0. You are who? Marvelous, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Marvelous.
Good morning to all of you.
We agree to Marvelous. Right on.
May I support you go visit. I gave behind that. Because let me be honest, Jonathan will lost 6 years. Not the way Jonathan did. I did for Delta State. Jonathan come my life and say, he is sorry, say he knows Water Court to Maurice. The biggest road in South South. What is Jonathan come to there for 6 years? May I tell you, Buhari don't lay record, say, now he starts up the cleanup of Ogolinat and the food animal. Okay, he don't do history forever. I may have disagree with Ogadivi. Ogadivi thought the thing come from the land, the thing come from people will come and see Monaco. At times, the Google, yes, and we're going to bring university for
strong talk. Marvelous, strong talk. Correct.
Now we get that. We just government, now they come from there. Now we get government. All them accountable. 30% of the people now. What is all our government officers? Nothing to prove, nothing to write to Maba. Our government don't get it. We could declare federal government. From state to go, from local government to go. All these boys, what are
Oga Marvelous.
Thank you.
Oga Marvelous.
Thank you for also at least.
Oga Marvelous, I get one important question.
What question do you have?
You address everything when Ogadiwe talk.
Don't
but
ask
you
him
don't
any
address
question.
one particular issue.
We have a caller.
Those people won't get oil blocks.
We have a caller.
Those people won't get oil blocks.
We have a caller.
Where they come from?
We have a caller.
Christian from Ketu. One person don't support you. You are happy. One.
Who be one person?
One.
Who be one person?
One.
Oga Christian from Ketu. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Kate. Christian, will they hear you?
I hear you. Thank you very
I
much.
beg, Christian, bring down the volume of your television, no vex. Thank you very much. Fire on, will they hear?
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, they hear now. Which I called this morning.
Okay.
I want to contribute.
Okay.
This Buhari issue where you talk about this is that change. Now they call this one and they discuss it. Now change we did. Everything just everything. If you go market now, I go buy tomatoes. Light, no water, nothing. They shall see Buhari change. Where's the change now? When would they vote that time? Everybody run up and down. I mean, I stay for exercise for more than 7 hours. Now, no change. Nothing. Everywhere, it's suffering with the suffer. Come to Ketu now, no light. Now I want me what they bring light. Water, we don't see government. What I see government. Where's government? No security. No security for. If you talk about it, don't every year. We don't have government. I say that we don't have government.
What are you thinking?
Almost 1 year now.
You better be beg him now. See,
I'm meditating over what he's saying.
Where's the work? Where do?
Meditating over.
Oga Christian, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Oga Christian.
No, respond to that.
I'm reflecting over what he's saying.
Reflector.
No, reflect over what he's
Mr.
saying.
Reflection. You are a reflector.
I'm a Nigerian. I need to show that I'm concerned as well.
Are you sure you are Nigerian? When they ask you, are you sure?
Show that I'm concerned as well.
When you and they tell you of exchange rate, are you sure? You are a Cameroon. In fact, your name is Eto.
Please.
Eto.
Please.
Eto.
Please.
Eto.
Please.
Eto.
For the last time, please.
Okay, because I will call you. Your name is okay. Your name is.
If you dare say anything we no fit me.
Ndiefi. I give you Eto, you don't even like him.
I can Ndiefi, Nkubi, the same N9 startup. Go ahead, I can.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.